In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private and only accessible to logged-in users. To ensure your profile appears exactly as you want it to, let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, head over to LinkedIn by entering linkedin.com in your browser. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to sign in. You can do this by using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. If you're signing in on a new device or if you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you for a verification code. This code is typically sent to your phone number or email depending on your preference. Enter that code, and you should be set to go. Once you're logged in, take a look towards the top right of your LinkedIn homepage and locate the Me icon. This is typically represented by your profile picture, or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on this Me icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on that option to access LinkedIn's various privacy controls. Now, you're in the Settings area. Look over to the left side of the screen and locate the section marked Visibility. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options on how to control who can see different aspects of your profile. One important option is Edit your public profile. This is where you can make significant changes to how your profile appears externally. Find this particular option and click Change next to it. At this stage, you should see a setting for your profile's public visibility. In order to make your profile visible only to users who are logged into LinkedIn, toggle this option to off. By doing this, you're ensuring that only those who are logged into LinkedIn and have appropriate access privileges can view your detailed profile information. If there are specific pieces of information you prefer to keep hidden while keeping your whole profile otherwise visible, LinkedIn offers additional settings to handle this. Simply go through the listed options and toggle off specific details you want to conceal from your public profile. These can include things like your photo, headline, or job history, depending on your comfort level. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, your LinkedIn profile is now private and only accessible to logged-in users. This gives you reassurance and peace of mind in knowing that you're actively managing your professional digital footprint. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings anytime you want to update who or what is visible to others.